Our Get Moving kit comes with 3 separate products, all with a similar theme of moving, exercising, and having fun. The first product is our Get Moving Sticks. These are sticks in a square cup that you can pull out one a day or a couple at a time for kids to get moving and doing things like jumping jacks, lunges, side bends, even neck rolls. The second product is our carpet markets. So these are little pieces of hook and loop that easily stick to any carpet that has a short shag, and that's a great way for kids to move from exercise to do all the fun things to get their wiggles out. The last product is our Get Moving Twists. So like our other twists, there's 3 separate cubes that twist on a rod. The thing that's different with this one is it will tell you which exercise, how many times to do it, and at what speed to do it. So this is a great kit for you to not only teach your students about different exercises and to get their wiggles out, but to work as a team. Whether you use this indoors or outdoors, you will have a ton of fun with our Get Moving kit.